Okay, someone asked me recently, how do I increase my lead flow? Okay, they just need more leads. That's actually a very simple answer. Okay, more volume in what you're doing or more lead sources. Okay, if you go to my website, 5offersaday.com, you can download a PowerPoint I've got out there. It has at least 56 different ways to get leads. Okay, so you can have more ways to get leads, but a lot of times once you know something works, a lot of times it's easier to just increase the volume, because now you're not necessarily learning new information, you're just expanding on what you already know. And so it's a little easier to scale that because you're scaling up rather than scaling out. However, depending on what market you're in and what type of lead it is, sometimes there is more or less a ceiling and you do have to expand that. So the right answer is usually a little bit of both. It just depends on where you're at this moment and where you're going. But in general, keep that in mind. You're either increasing volume of a lead source or you're increasing lead sources. Either one of those will get you more leads that you're seeking for. And again, check out my site, 5offersaday.com, download the PowerPoint, and you might see some ideas there that you hadn't considered that'll work right into what you're doing. Thanks.